Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Apple Care subscription step by step. First, open your iPhone or iPad, tap the Settings app. Tap your name at the top of the screen to open your Apple ID. Scroll and tap Subscriptions to see all of your active plans. Look for your Apple Care plan under your active subscriptions list. Tap your Apple Care plan, select Cancel Subscription, and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. If you're paid for Apple Care upfront rather than monthly, it may not appear in subscriptions. If you paid for Apple Care upfront rather than monthly, it may not appear in subscriptions. In this case, contact Apple support via chat or phone. Be ready with your device's serial number and proof of purchase. Apple may even offer a partial refund if you cancel early. Important note, when you cancel monthly Apple Care, your coverage continues until the end of the current billing cycle. And that's it. That's how to cancel Apple Care subscription. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.